Yes, student. Look at now a new question. Balance following ionic equation which takes place in again acidic medium, but now the method is changed. What? Ion electron method, which is also called half reaction method. Student, question is given, equation is given. What to do? We have to apply what? First step. What is first step? To find oxidation number of all species. So oxidation number of Fe, Cr and another Fe product side is already given, but oxidation number of chromium is not given. So we have to find oxidation number of chromium very first. Let chromium is denoted by X, but atoms are how many? 2. So write here what? 2x. Okay. Minus, that is plus. Each oxygen have minus 2 state. So 7 to the 14. That is minus 14 is equal to number of charges minus 2 is equal to minus 2. When you will solve it, you will get 2x minus 14 is equal to minus 2. So x is equal to what? Plus 7. X is equal to, sorry, not plus 7, this is what? Plus 6. Getting? So write this plus 6 above the chromium. Is that it? So our first step is completed. Now, need not to write it. This is only for example. Okay? You have to make such a practice that you can find oxidation number very easily and rapidly. Getting? Otherwise, it will cover unnecessary space here. Now the second step is what? Second step is to find oxidation and reduction. So what to find? How to find? Compare the reactant species with the product species and find plus 6 is converted into plus 3. So you can simply write oxidation number decreases by 3. Plus 6 to plus 3. What? By 3. But here there is 2 chromium atom, but here only 1. So we have to write for 1 atom. So total decrease, okay, will be how many atoms are there? 2 atoms are there. And how many decreases for 1 atom? 3. So 2 into 3 is equal to what? 6. This is the total decrease. This process is known as what? Reduction. Isn't it? Now the second one is Fe plus 2. Okay. And compare it with what? Fe plus 3. And now write what? Plus 2 is getting converted into plus 3. So we can write here oxidation number increases by 1 per atom. Per atom. Already 1 atom is there, therefore no need to multiply like in previous we multiplied by 2, but here there is no need to multiply it. Are you getting? So now here we find oxidation and reduction. Now what to do? Half reaction method. Means we have to write half reaction. Now what? Write half reaction. Okay, how to write half reaction? So first write oxidation. So first one is what? Oxidation. Oxidation of iron is takes place. Therefore write Fe plus 2 is getting converted into Fe plus 3. Means what? Means 1 electron is released here. Okay, this is become your equation number 1. And second one is what? Reduction half. Okay, reduction half. So what is the which species is getting reduced? This Cr2O7 2 anion is reduced to Cr plus 2. But how many? By 6. So what to do? We have to write 6 electron in reactant side because it is what? Reduction. Therefore now this is what? Number 2. Okay. Now balance what? Electrons, because it is what? Ion electron method. Balance electron both side. So what to do to balance electron? Here is 1 electron, here are 6 electrons. So it will be multiplied by 6 and it will be multiplied by 1. So multiply equation 1 by what? 6 and rewrite. And what? Rewrite equation. Here it will become 6 Fe plus 2 is getting converted into 6 Fe plus 3 and become 6 electron. Now this is become your equation number 3. Now what to do? Add equation 3 with what? Equation 2. So if we add equation 3 with equation 2, there is electron in reactant side and here electron in product side, so will be cancelled. So now rewrite it. It will become Cr2O7 2 anion plus 6 Fe plus 2 is converted into 6 Fe plus 3 plus what? Cr plus 3. Now student, there are how many Cr? 2. So you can write here what? 2 Cr. Now what to do? Now ultimately what we have to balance oxygen, because oxygen remains unbalanced. How many oxygens are there? 7. So you have to put what? 7 number of H2O molecule, because oxygen is balanced by using what? Equal number of H2O molecules. But ultimately we have to balance what? One more thing, hydrogen. So 7 to the 14 hydrogen is there. Therefore in last step you place 14 number of H cation in the reactant side. Okay, so student, in this way you can balance the ionic equation. Student, here it is called ion and electron method. You can check also. Okay, how can you check it? You can check it by using the total number of charges. The plus charges is 6 to the 12 and minus charge is 2. So 12 minus 2 is equal to what? 10. So the plus charges are 2, that is plus number plus ions are how many? Cations are 10. And here what? 6 3 ja 18. Okay, and 2 3 ja 6. Getting? So in this way you can also balance the equation. Getting?